it's Princess Cookie Dog. And you see this dress right here. Well, so I made this dress out of Play-Doh. And I just let it dry out. But this one, but in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make her. I'm just not going to let her dry out. So I don't have like too much blue that I can actually show you how to make her. But that's okay. So I'm just going to, I'll set her on something. So instead of using the dark blue, I'm just going to use light blue. So what we'll need is some Play-Doh. Doesn't have to be blue though. Whatever you're going to put it on. I have like these little Barbie things, these little Disney princess things. Gonna need some scissors and some kind of cutter that you can do. Whoa, sorry about that, guys. So we're going to start. Let's get started. Okay, so we're going to start by opening up our Play-Doh. Let's get our doll here. Oh, and guys, also you'll need a roller with the little hole. That's going to help us make our roses. Let's start by taking some Play-Doh. We're going to roll a little out. We don't want too much. Just going to roll some out. Then we're going to kind of flatten it. I'm going to put her doll's feet in it. Okay? Okay. So then we're just going to set that off to the side here. Okay. So now we're going to take the rest of our Play-Doh. I know that's probably a lot of Play-Doh. Looks like she's about to fall. I know that's a lot of Play-Doh, but we're going to need to use it to make that long of a dress. Now, we're going to like cut it to size. So we're not going to use all of it. We're just going to roll all of it out to see how much we need. Because in case we just need like the smallest amount more and we did portion, yeah, then we would have to start over rolling it out. And you don't want to use like the smallest, like this much Play-Doh to roll out, so you guys watch. That's all you can roll out, and that's not even gonna fit her guy. So we need to do this. Okay. And thanks for my new subscribers that should subscribe today, maybe? I don't know. Okay. So now we're going to carefully turn it over because we want this good side. Now we're going to take our doll. We're going to put her arms up. And we're going to wrap it around. Make sure you don't cover her waist. So then we're going to place it on. Okay, so then as you see, it's all in the front. But how we can help that is we can sweep all of it to the side. So, and then we're going to just squeeze this a little bit. Okay, so we got quite a lot of Play-Doh here. So what we're doing is we're just going to cut off a little here. Okay, then we're actually going to use this. We're going to cut it like this. And we're just going to cut some more. We don't want it too long. So we're just going to kind of cut it into a good shape here. And why else we're cutting it instead of ripping it? So we can get rid of all these sides. Okay, so I know it doesn't look exactly like it, but at least we made this. Okay, now let's set this off to the side. Time to make our roses. So we're going to start by taking some Play-Doh. We're going to roll it out, and guys, did you see that? The only place we want it is on the side. Maybe a little in the back, but not in me, but here. Okay? So if you need to fix anything up, go ahead. Oh, forgot something. So you're also going to take a little bit of Play-Doh. I'm going to, oh, I forgot two things, guys. Oh, I'm so sorry. And we're going to put this Play-Doh that we just rolled out on her neck. We have the one I made in the pots. Okay. So, yeah, we got her necklace on? I don't know. This looks weird. Okay. So then you're going to, well, you're just going to roll out some blue Play-Doh. That same color. You don't have to use a different color. You can use red if you want to. You don't have to, but you probably would want to. So then we're just going to cut it into a rectangle or a square. Bad idea, Princess Cookie Dog. Bad idea. So we're just going to go ahead now, and then go ahead and just pinch that together. Since I made a little mistake, you don't have to do it. Only if you made a little mistake like me. Well, an accident. I'm like throwing off the side to the dress. Why am I doing that? Okay, so we're now, oh, sorry guys, you can't see that. And now I got this all ready. So then we're going to take that roller circle, and you're going to need 4 for each. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to need 1, 2, 10. So we're going to make a total of 10 roses. Okay, okay. And then, okay. So I could fit a total of 4 roses on here. And I'm going to take all this and I'm going to set all our circles. They're like, almost like cookies. The shape reminds me of a cookies. Maybe next week's video, show you how to make that. Oh no, I just smashed a circle, I think, so I'll make a new one, guess. Not why I have to. If you guys smash one, you don't have to make a new one. You could just take away 3 other ones, but I just decided to, so I decided to. And guys, you don't have to make this dress if you don't have Play-Doh. Just right now, I am using this in this basically. Okay, so now it's time to show you how to make the actual roses. So you're going to take a circle, then you're going to fold it, then you're going to take 3 more and wrap them like this. I'm going to use this thinner one here. Then you're going to roll the end. Then you're just going to use that cutter to cut it. Then you're just going to stick it on her dress. Okay. So let's make our next one. You're going to fold. Then you're going to place 3 around it. You can use different sizes, but you can't use different shapes, because if you use different shapes, then it won't look like a rose. That's why we gotta make circles. So then we're gonna put that one. Now you can also scatter them out on the dress. So guys, this is where I put. That's why we made that long thing. So because that's where we're gonna put them. You don't have to put them in those exact same spots. You can scramble them. You can put them everywhere. Wait guys, wait. I guess this one we don't need. Okay. So now we're going to cut, and then we're going to stick that on. Okay. Let's see. We made a total of 4 roses out of a lie. I don't really want to count them right now. No. But I made a lot of 4 roses. So now the 4 would make 8, and then I don't know, I have to make 2 more. Hopefully this video has at least, hopefully this video is only 5 more minutes long. Well then, I may not be able to post this. I'm scared. Because the limit is 15 for me, so I'm going to do 15 minutes. Okay. So now we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. Forgot 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we're gonna have to roll out some more, guys. So we got a total of 4. Then we're just gonna make 2 more rolls, guys. Can we make that? Can we do that? Can we make 8 more circles? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, we did it, guys. We did it. Okay, so let's go ahead. Let's take this apart if I can. If I even can. Okay, so guys, to be honest, I am scared to see how much longer I have. Oh, okay, I only have 4 minutes, so let's do this quick. I wish I could do that speedy thing. If I could, then I would. I don't know how to do that, so I can't. Sad face. So, guys, make sure you also read the description this time. Okay, so let's make our roses. Okay, so we got 12 minutes to make. Let's 6 more roses. We're gonna make 6 more roses. We gotta make 6 more roses. I don't know if I can do that, guys. I'm gonna have to say goodbye to you early. Well, guys, sometimes you may just make extras because sometimes you may make them really thick, and the thicker ones take up more room. So if you do a whole bunch of thick ones, then this probably will take less time. So hopefully we can get this done quickly. This actually might be my last rose, but I think we can. 3 more roses. Let's see if we can make 3 more roses in 2 minutes. Okay. 1. Unless the rest of them are thick, because I always make thick ones, because that's basically the only kind of have here.